Yes, my desktop indeed looks like this. I am not proud of it. Let's not talk about it. But today's tutorial is going to be how to use rentintheloop.com. So let's type in that URL, head to the website. You're able to read a little bit about us, our brands, FAQs, our criteria, how we vet our sustainable and ethical fashion brand partners. So here's just a little bit of a sneak peek on that. Okay, now on to browse. You want to look at categories, say dresses. After that, you'll go back to the original page that you were at and be able to see the prices for a one-time rental, which means you're renting on a 1-week time span. You can extend that for additional costs or as a subscriber. You'll see that this for a one-time renter costs $50 per week. You look at the subscription plans and realize we have one that allows you to rent one sustainable and ethical piece per month for $35, and that it's on sale right now for $30, and that's a better deal than what you would pay as a one-time renter. So you check that out because you are a smart girly. All you have to do to make that your default membership is add it to cart, complete a transaction, and it will tag your account. From there, you log in with the same details, go back to that dress you've been eyeing, and now you can see that it is $0 for you because you had already paid your monthly rental fee. You can choose a period of a month or 28 days. Add that to cart. Complete the transaction, and there you go. You'll be charged automatically monthly, exactly 30 days after you initially add a subscription plan to your cart. And each month you'll get a reminder to rent your pieces for the month as well as return sequencing.